Halo everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Meet again with me on English learning. Well class, welcome back again. And today we are going to discuss on chapter 10. Well class, by the way, before we continue for our learning today, you have prepared for everything? Book, notebook, and others? And also you have got shower? And also you have breakfast? Very good. Well class, here the lesson for you. Let's check it out about our lesson today. Let's go. Okay. Chapter 10. We practiced Jalan Jurus 5 and 6 last night. On this chapter, we are going to learn about ways to do Jalan Jurus 5 and 6, and also learning regular and irregular verbs. Nah, di bab 10 kita akan belajar we practiced Jalan Jurus 5 and 6 last night. Kita berlatih Jalan Jurus 5 dan 6 semalam. Dan di bab ini kita juga akan belajar tentang regular dan irregular verb. Kata kerja beraturan dan kata kerja tidak beraturan. Well students, before we continue for the lesson, please prepare for everything. And here the lesson for you. Let's start to study now. A. Listening. Listen to this conversation. A. Mendengarkan. Dengarkan percakapan ini. Siti and Mina. What did you do after school yesterday, Mina? What did you do? Apa yang kamu lakukan kemarin setelah sekolah, Mina? I practiced Jalan Jurus 5 and 6. Saya berlatih Jalan Jurus 5 dan 6. How did you do it? How did you do it? Bagaimana kamu melakukan itu? My teacher taught me step by step. My teacher taught me step by step. Guruku mengajarkan aku langkah demi langkah. First, pertama, he did one movement. Dia melakukan satu gerakan. I watched and studied the movement carefully. Saya melihat dan belajar gerakan tersebut dengan hati-hati. After that, setelah itu, I tried to follow just like the way he moved. Setelah itu, saya mencoba untuk mengikuti seperti cara dia bergerak itu, atau seperti dia melakukan gerakan tersebut. Okay, well, this one kita ketemu di sini ada namanya regular dan irregular. Regular verb itulah kata kerja beraturan, yaitu kata kerja yang biasanya ditambahkan belakangnya d atau ed. Sementara ada kata kerja yang irregular verb, kata kerja tidak beraturan. Oke, this one, practice menjadi practiced, follow, followed, move, moved, watch, watched, try, tried. Sementara yang irregular ada do menjadi did. Oke, teach, taught. Perhatikan, regular kata kerja itu untuk kata kerja keduanya adalah ada penambahan d atau ed. Sementara yang irregular berubah. Well students, let's discuss the others. Exercise. Listen, repeat, and circle the correct past verb. Latihan, dengarkan, ulangi, dan lingkari kata kerja bentuk pas yang benar. Oke, tapi di buku kalian ya, jangan di buku paket. Nanti kalian tulis jawabannya. Okay, number 1. I practiced or practiced jalan jurus 5 and 6 yesterday. Okay. I practiced or practiced. Saya berlatih jalan jurus 5 and 6 yesterday. Number 2. My teacher teach or taught me the movement for each jurus. My teacher, guru saya, mengajari saya gerakan tersebut untuk masing-masing jurus atau pada masing-masing jurus. Oke, kalian pilih teach or taught. He do or did it step by step. Dia melakukannya langkah demi langkah. First, he show or showed one movement. Pertama, dia menunjukkan satu gerakan. Then, I follow or followed his movement carefully. Kemudian saya mengikuti gerakannya dengan hati-hati. Oke, follow atau followed. Next, he correct or corrected my movement when I do or did it wrongly. Dia mengoreksi gerakan saya ketika saya melakukannya dengan salah. Well, students, dari masing-masing ini tolong ditulis di buku kalian dan tulis jawabannya. Kalian lingkarin, ya, which one. Ingat, di buku tulis kalian disalin. And well, we continue for the next lesson. Here you are. More to know, the use of password, penggunaan dari kata kerja past, kata kerja lampau, is to express activities in the past, adalah untuk mengekspresikan kegiatan-kegiatan di waktu yang lalu atau waktu yang lampau. It has regular and irregular verbs. Ia memiliki kata kerja beraturan dan kata kerja tidak beraturan. Regular verbs mean the verbs that have similar addition pattern at the end. Kata kerja beraturan artinya adalah kata kerja yang memiliki tambahan yang sama di rumusnya dan di pada akhir tersebut. While irregular verbs mean, sementara kata kerja tidak beraturan artinya the verbs that have no clear changing pattern of the verb, ya. Jadi artinya kata kerja tersebut tidak memiliki perubahan bentuk yang jelas pada kata kerja tersebut. Oke, perhatikan contoh di bawah ini. Regular verbs, ini kata kerja yang beraturan. Practice, practiced. Oke, di sini ada penambahan day. Follow, followed. Penambahan day. Study menjadi studied. Penambahan ed. Try, tried. Oke, ini akhir yang berhuruf y menjadi ied. Ied. Oke, then irregular verbs, kata kerja tidak beraturan, do menjadi did. Oke, teach, taught, make, made, eat, ate. Oke, this one of the little sample. Inilah contoh kecil. Then we continue for the next lesson. Well, class, we continue for around Jakarta. Traditional martial art. Jurus Jalan 5 and 6 are the names of basic movements patterns of silat Betawi that are taught to grade 6 elementary school students in Jakarta. The basic movement patterns are inherited from generation to generation. This unique and artistic traditional martial art has been popular not only in Indonesia, but also in the entire world. It has become one of the sports that is competed in Asian Games. Nah, oke, anak-anak diperhatikan this one and this one, the meanings. Ini adalah artinya. After this, we continue for the speaking. Here you are. Well, students, now we continue on speaking. Practice this conversation. Berlatihlah percakapan berikut Mamat and Udin. What did you do last night, Udin? Apa yang kamu kerjakan semalam, Udin? I made strawberry juice. Oke, I made. Saya membuat jus strawberry. How did you make it? How did you make it? Bagaimana kamu cara membuatnya? First, I put strawberries in a juicer. Pertama, saya menaruh strawberry ke dalam sebuah juicer atau pengejus. Second, I turned on the juicer. Kemudian kedua, saya menyalakan juicernya. Third, I added milk in it. Ketiga, saya menambahkan susu ke dalamnya. Oke, this one ada kata kerja yang bertebal. Kita cek ada regular and irregular verb. Turn on menjadi turned on. Ate, added. Yang irregular, do, did. Make, made. Put. Okay, this one for the first conversation and now for the second conversation. Siti and Udin. What did you do last week, Mina? Apa yang kamu lakukan minggu yang lalu, Mina? Udin, I draw a female's ondel-ondel. Saya menggambar ondel-ondel wanita. How did you draw it? Bagaimana kamu cara menggambarnya? First, I made the face. Pertama, saya membuat muka tersebut. Second, I sketched the body and clothes. Kemudian saya membuat sketsa badan dan bajunya. Third, I color it. Kemudian saya mewarnainya. Well, class, this one there are some past word here. It is. And this one, the regular and irregular verb that we got it. Sketch menjadi sketched. And then color, colored. Do, did. Draw, drew. Okay, draw, drew. Make, made. Well, class, this one for our lesson today. And we will continue. Well, students, for the second duties, let us try on page 104. Untuk tugas kedua ada di halaman 104. Turn these jumbled words into good sentence, ya, into a good sentence. Susunlah jumbled berikut menjadi sebuah kalimat yang bagus. Oke, this one. Number one, the teacher. The teacher itu kata pertama. And then number two, my sister. My sister kata pertama. Next is Mamat. Mamat. Then number 4, Siti. Number 5, Minah. Itu kata yang pertama. Please do it by yourself. Then we will check it next time. Good luck for you. See you for the next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.